Hello everyone, welcome to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is x over 4 times x over 4 which is equals to 4 over x times 4 over x. So we have to find the value of x. So for this purpose we are going to write our problem that x over 4 times x over 4 which is equal to 4 over x times 4 over x. So now we are going to just multiply that x times x, which is x square, and 4 times 4 is 4 square, equals to 4 times 4 4 square, and x times x square. So now we are going to cross multiply. So cross multiplication, just we are going to write here cross multiplication, that we are going to write now here, as we see that x square times x square, which can be written as x square times x square, which is equals to 4 square times 4 square. So now we can write it like as that, as we know that bases are same, then power will be added, and we also write by the that indices rule, that if we have a times a power m times a power n, we can write it like bases are same, power will be added. So we are going to use here that bases are same, x, then 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4 power 2 plus 2. So it is equal to x power 4, which is equal to 4 power 4. So now we are going to write that x power 4 shifting to left hand side, then we get 4 power 4, which is equal to 0. So now we can see that it is x raised to the power 4, and we can also write like x square whole power 2, then 4 square whole power 2. 2 2s are 4, so we can write this formula, and here we are going to write it like, as we know that by the formula, algebraic formula, that a square minus b square, which can be written a plus b times a minus b. So putting here, it will be x square minus 4 square times x square plus 4 square, which is equal to 0. So now we can write it x square minus 4 square is equal to 0. So there are two cases, x square plus 4 square is equal to 0. Now we are going to just find x square minus 4 square. It will be x square, so 4 square shifting towards right hand side, we get 4 square. Then now taking square root at both sides, then we get square root, and then it will be cancelled. So x is equal to that 4. X is equal to 4. So we can write here that x is equal to plus minus 4. X is equal to plus minus 4. So now we have two values of x. Let us say x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to minus 4. x2 is equal to minus 4. So these are two values, and similarly when we are going to solve this one, then we get x square is equal to minus 4 square. So taking square root at both sides, then we get here x is equal to, as we know that 4 square can be written as 16, and here it is minus 1, so square root, so minus 1 is equal to iota square, and then we can write it 16 is actually 4 and minus 1 is equal to I, because we know that I square is equal to minus 1, and I square is equal to minus 1, so I is equal to minus 1 square root. So it is equal to 4i, and we put that plus minus 4i. So x is equal to plus minus 4i. Here we can also see that there are two values of x, which is that x3 is equal to 4i and x4 is equal to minus 4i. So we have four values of x. it is actually our answer, and now we are going to check our answer it is valid or not. These four values x1, x2, x3 and similarly x4 one by one. So these are four values of x. Now we are going to check our answer. So for this purpose we are going to check. So our problem is x over 4 times x over 4, which is equal to 4 over x times 4 over x. So now we are going to just putting here that x1 is equal to 4. So when we put x1 is equal to 4, that x1 is equal to 4. So now here value of x is 4 over 4 times 4 and then 4. So here 4, the value of x is 4, then 4 over 4. So we can see that cancelling 4 with 4 and then 4 with 4 we get 1. So here Sam 4 with 4, 1 is 1, so 1 is equals to 1. So our answer is correct, that x1 is equal to 4. So now we are going to check our another value, which is x2 is equal to minus 4. x2 is equal to minus 4. So now when x2 is equal to minus 4, so our question is that x divided by 4, we put minus 4 divided by 4 times minus 4 divided by 4. We are just writing the parenthesis. Then here 4 over x, the value of x is minus 4 times 4 over minus 4. So here we can see that 4 is cancelling with this one, so we get minus 1. Here minus 1 times, again it is minus 1, so minus 1 times minus 1, it is also 4, 1 is 4, it is minus 1 times again minus 1. So minus minus plus, we get 1. Here minus minus plus, we get 1. So 1 is equal to 1, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Our this value is also correct. Hence we are going to write another value of x, which is x is equal to x3 is equal to 4i. So for this purpose we are going to take our problem, which is x divided by 4. It means 4i divided by 4 times 4i divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by that 4i times 4 divided by 4i. So now that 4 4s are 16 and I times I is I square, divided by 4 4s are 16, which is equal to, here it is again 4 4s are 16 and 16i square. So as we know that I square is equal to minus 1, so it is 16 by 16 into minus 1, which is 16 by 16 times 1 by minus 1. So cancelling this one, we get minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So both sides are equal. We can cancel the minus sign at both sides, then we get 1 is equal to 1. So our value that x3 4i is correct. So now we are going to solve our lost value, which is x4 is equal to minus 4i. So now we are taking x4 is equal to minus 4i. So that x divided by 4, which is equal to minus 4i divided by 4 times minus 4i divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by x, which is equal to 4 divided by minus 4i times again 4 divided by x, which is equal to 4 divided by minus 4i. So we are going to solve this, that minus minus plus, we get 4 times 4 is 16i square, and then 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So here at left side 16 divided by minus minus plus, then 4 4s are 16, so it is equal to 16i square. Again we know that 16 cancelling by 16, it is equal to minus 1, and again it is equal to minus 1. So both sides are equal, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence so our correct answer is that x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to minus 4, x3 is equal to 4i, and x4 is equal to minus 4i. So these are the values of x. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.